Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos, Hacking the Nintendo Wii, Part 24. Today I'm going to show you how to add Atari 7800 games. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to this website that's in the description below and click on this download button. Once you've downloaded this file, extract it. Now you don't need the zip file anymore. Here are the contents of the folder that you just downloaded. And with your SD card plugged into your computer, you're going to want to drag this Wii7800 folder into your apps folder on your SD card, of course. And the Wii7800 folder, you just want to drag that into the root of your SD card. Just like that. Inside this Wii7800 folder, you will see ROMs in here. So you don't even have to download the ROMs from somewhere else. They come included. These two files are your WAD channels, so you can pick either one. I am going to pick the first one. Version 14, second edition. Just put it in your channels folder and let's head over to the Wii. So back at the Wii, go into the homebrew channel, hit start. Go into your multi-mod manager. Load. Go into your iOS manager. And go to 249. Hit the home button. Once that's all loaded up, go back, hit B, scroll down to WAD Manager, go down to WADs, Channels, and find the channel that you just put in here. There it is. Load it up. And once you're done that, you can exit out of here. Let's go back to our system menu. Here we go back at the Wii. There's the Atari 7800 channel. Let's go into it. Click Start. Load cartridge. And just pick any game you want here. And here it is. That's how you add Atari 7800 games to your Nintendo Wii. Thanks for watching.